Hello and welcome to the R. Jack Fishman Library. My name is Sabrina Moreland and I'm a librarian here at Walters State. All of the staff at the library want you to know that we are here for you this semester. Even though many of us are working in an online environment, the library still offers several helpful services that will be useful to you as you complete your coursework. The library subscribes to a number of databases that cover a variety of subjects. This is where you'll find those credible scholarly articles. We are checking out laptops and MiFi among other forms of equipment. If you can't find a certain source, there's a strong possibility that we can request it from another library through interlibrary loan. If you're interested in checking out a print source, you can search for what you need right on the library homepage. And if you need some individual help with your research assignments, you can work with a research coach. Speaking of research coaching, there are lots of ways to get in touch with one if you would like some additional help with your research assignments. You can email a librarian with any questions you have about your research. You can call the library and ask to talk to a research coach or a librarian. There's also many instances where a research coach is already embedded in your eLearn class list. And lastly, you can set up a time to meet online with a research coach through Microsoft Teams or Zoom. When you work with a research coach, you're developing so many skills that will be helpful to you as you continue your education. We're here to help you decide on research topics, which sources are the best suited for your research needs, how to access the right information, and how to apply different citation styles. The best place to access all of our services and to learn more about us is by going to the library homepage. I'm going to walk you through some of the most important sections of our site that you should be familiar with. So when you arrive to the library homepage, on the left under Contact Us, you will see the phone numbers and our email address that will help you contact someone quickly. The library staff link provides you with a directory of all the staff if you need to contact someone in particular. All of our updates or changes to library services, policies, or procedures can be found at the top and to the right of the page. Under Quick Links, you will see the link to the library databases. Remember that you will need to log in using your eLearn credentials when accessing the databases off campus. If you're interested in checking out a laptop or other form of equipment, click on this link, Equipment Checkout, to make a reservation. Here is the link to Interlibrary Loan. It will take you to the Interlibrary Loan Request form if you're looking for a resource that the Walters State Library doesn't have. Lastly, if you're interested in finding a print source, simply enter the subject, topic, author, or title in this search box, and relevant books with their location will be displayed for you. Be sure to explore our homepage for additional content and links to helpful information. We hope this video shows you all of the useful services we offer and all the ways the staff at the R. Jack Fishman Library are here for you.